Hello friends, today I am going to explain you what are the steps required for Java to connect to the Postgres database and how we will do the programs of Java database connectivity. First of all, we need to configure PostgreSQL to do the connectivity. So we need to go to the configuration file of Postgres. For that, path is /etc, then cd PostgreSQL. Remember that in my system is Linux flavor Ubuntu. Here my Postgres is located in etc directory. On different flavors like Fedora, it may be located in this varlib pgsql. Then cd 10, afterwards main, afterwards these are the configuration file pghba.conf and postgresSQL.conf. Here we need to do one thing, vi pghba.conf. Here you might observe that something might be written that identified same user. In that you need to write md5. In that you need to write md5. md5 stands for this password is not visible to everyone. This password is not visible to administrator also, unless and until if you want to recover this password, your system, your Postgres will crash, and that is that's why this technique is used to secure the password. You can write trust also, or you can write md5, and this you have written in the pghba.conf. Now next file is postgresSQL.conf. In that you need to write here there is a comment on the listen address. It might be something like this. Okay, you have to remove the comment, and here it is only written single quote. Here it is only written single quote by default, and you need to write star. Star stands for use for all, and by default the port 5432 might be in the comment. You have to remove that comment. And next thing, Unix underscore socket, it is written permission 0777. This is also commented. You need to remove the comment. So this thing you have to do in configuration file of Postgres. Now we will think another thing that is very important. We will go to root, afterwards we will go to Postgres. By default you can log in Postgres by command su Postgres SQL, not it is su Postgres, it is su Postgres. Now here you can write PSQL, and afterwards you can write create user. We will take Amit with password Amit 1 2 3. Create role has been created. Now create database. Create database SP. Database has been created. Now you need to grant permission to that particular user you have created, so he can create table, he can delete table, he can modify, create an insert, update, delete table. So grant all privileges on database. What is the name of database? SP to Amit. Now permission has been granted. Now quit from the database, \q. Now restart the Postgres service. Sudo service PostgreSQL restart. Now do one thing. Now sudo service PostgreSQL restart. Service has been restarted. Now we will see whether we have access, we have created the user, it is working fine or not. PSQL -d, database name is SP minus capital U Amit. Okay, SP database is created and Amit user has been created. So that is all about the database configuration of Postgres. Now we will see whether we are able to do the JDBC program for Java database. Now we will see what are the things required to configure the Java. For Java we need to go to file manager, then file system, then Java is usually located in the user directory, user lib, then JVM, user lib, JVM is there. In JVM, Java, JRE, lib and ext. Here jar file you need to paste. So I have pasted this Postgres jar file. So this is needed for Java class path, for class path of Java, and that is necessary. Now the path is user lib JVM. The path is different for different flavor of Linux. Okay. Now remember that if you want to know whether on my system Java is running or not, simply check javac command, it is showing class path. Java command also it is showing class path. That means Java has been installed on your system and it is working fine. Now we will see the JDBC program. Javac JDBC dot Java and JDBC, it is showing connection success. VIM JDBC dot Java. Here import statement to load all the packages of database connectivity, and driver has been loaded. That we have seen that jar file we have inserted. Driver manager dot get connection, JDBC colon PostgreSQL colon localhost Sachin user and password is Sachin123. Statement object has been created and connection success. So that is all about JDBC connectivity. Thank you.